Hi guys, another little project to have a look at. This is the latch clip. This is the clip for holding my wireless microphone onto whatever you want to clip it onto. A spring, and then this bit would, if it wasn't broken, hinge on there. Are you going to focus? Yeah. A little hole there on that side, and a hole on that side should be going onto that little pimple there, and there should be one on that side. Oh, can't see that, can we? Come on, focus again. Let's put some light on it. That's better. Now we can see. Yeah, so that bit's broken. I could try and 3D print a little piece like that, or I could try and 3D print something completely different that will just clip it to my, well, I clip it to my glasses because it's a convenient place. If I clip it to my neckline of my shirt or whatever, quite often I find my beard brushes against the microphone and you get noise from that. At the moment, as usual, a bit of blue tack. That does the job. That is all that I actually need. But I could try and work out some little clip that will hold it in place. Seriously, a bit of blue tack like that is all you need. But it might fall off if I'm no, it's not. I'm not going to get that active enough for that to shake off. But I could work out something that will clip on there. 3D print something. And yeah, that bit on that side there slides into there. Just realised you probably can't hear me clearly because that's my microphone and I'm waving it around and touching it. Anyway, yeah, I might print something that will slide onto there and clip onto there. Right, previous part of the video I showed you that's the clip off my wireless microphone. That's my simplified clip that I've 3D printed. In fact, that's version 1. Version 2, I've just increased the size of the hole there a tiny bit because it was a bit too tight. I'll show you it on my glasses now. That is all I need it for. Although if I do want to clip it onto my shirt or jacket or something like that, I don't think that will be good enough. I could make it a bit longer so it will just slide on easily. I suppose I could just try it now. Well, there you go. It is clipping onto my jumper, or whatever you want to call it. So yeah, it'll work for that as well. Smiley face. Yeah, simpler, no spring in it, but it does the job. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.